the tag aliases. One hard thing, especially if you don't work with or on the taxonomy all day, is to remember all the tag names to apply during the analysis and the tagging process. So most probably, as mentioned before, you agreed with your colleagues on certain definitions and on certain tag names, so you use those special terms, and while doing the tagging on the spot, all other terms come to your mind, but sometimes not the right one. Or in another case, you have tags which are a summarizing category for different keywords. So on the spot, in both cases, we have the possibility to set aliases for your tag. So during research, if you don't remember the correct tag name, you can use the tag search and get all those tags suggested with matching aliases, which is very nice. So you can select the right tag and you aren't tempted to create a new one, for example, which would be a redundant tag, or you don't have to manually search through all the tags and find the right one. So the benefit is to have a very clean coding scheme and to avoid the creation of redundant new tags. And that's why we have aliases and how they are used.